Alright folks, today I'm on a mission. I found an abandoned Lightning McQueen out here in the woods, and I'm gonna bring this legend back to life and take it for a ride. Well, would you look at that? There it is, my heart's racing right now. What happened here? How long has this thing been sitting in the middle of nowhere? This is like stumbling into Radiator Springs. You guys, look at this. It's Chick Hicks's door. Green with the number 86 and all the racing decals. Look at all these sponsor decals. This car has seen some serious racing action, maybe even competed for the Piston Cup back in the day, but it's been ripped clean off. Something serious must have happened here. I think this is a blade from the Dinoco helicopter, the one they used to broadcast the races. Dinoco was the big sponsor everyone wanted. Looks like another piece of Chick Hicks. It's his hood. So many cool stickers. We've got a unique opportunity to see them in real life, not just in the cartoon. Even though they're torn off pieces, they still look incredibly cool. Oh my gosh, it's Lightning McQueen himself, with that cocky smile and those blue eyes. A prestigious racing car, completely abandoned out here in the woods. Bumper ointment by Rusty's, another one of Cars Racing sponsors. Drop a comment below, guys. Who do you think is the cooler sponsor? Rusty's or Dinoco? Let me know. What a rusty chain inside. Oh my gosh, there's even a checkered finish flag here. Listen guys, could they have been running a rally championship right in these woods? Lightning McQueen has some incredibly beautiful graphics on his body. Let's take some time to observe them. Just awesome! Ka-chow! I'm really curious to see what's inside Mr. McQueen. Oh boy, dust everywhere. Seats are filthy. Plastic is grimy. This interior has been baking in humidity for who knows how long. Wait a minute. Is that what I think it is? The legendary Piston Cup! Alright, popping the hood now. This is the moment of truth. If you're enjoying this restoration journey, smash that subscribe button because we're just getting started. Look at this intake manifold. 4 cylinders absolutely caked in grime. I'm running my hand over these components to feel for any obvious damage or loose connections. Wow, look at that. The car has been sitting here for so long that a bird actually built a nest right under the hood. Well then, I'm going to run a quick diagnostic on the engine's condition, and then we'll get right to restoring it. What? Lightning McQueen is alive! His eyes just moved! This is absolutely insane. Hang in there, Mr. McQueen. Just a little longer. I'm gonna get you fixed up right now, and you'll be feeling much better. Hey guys, do you even like the movie Cars? Who's your favorite character? Oh no, it looks like he's not happy about something. Could I have hurt him with that sudden movement? Just a little bit more, very carefully, and I'll have Lightning McQueen completely restored. I can't even believe my own words right now. Now I'll grab a battery. Mr. McQueen needs some electricity. Alright, I will need to pop the air system components back in. Whoa, why are you reacting so sharply? Just hang in there. I'll have everything taken care of in just a second. Whoa, where do you think you're going? It's way too early for that. Mr. McQueen, please stay still and let me do my job first. Yes, like that. Good car. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Otherwise, McQueen is just going to keep misbehaving like this. Alright, now I'm going to finish putting the pipes together. This corrugated air intake tube is flexible rubber, supposed to channel air smoothly. Got some cracks forming though, might need to wrap it or replace it entirely. Time to break out the tools. Got my socket set, wrenches, screwdrivers. Everything I need to start taking things apart and putting them back together properly. Dear Mr. McQueen, please don't move. You just need to wait a little bit longer. Air comes through the filter, passes through these tubes, mixes with fuel in the manifold, then combustion happens. Right now, we're in a phase of really delicate work, tightening a cable here, aligning the bolts perfectly into their slots. Don't worry, the long-awaited test drive of Lightning McQueen is coming up very soon. I still can't get used to the fact that living cars actually exist. Lightning McQueen's engine is absolutely roaring, but the repair job isn't finished just yet. Mr. McQueen, please try starting it up one more time. Perfect, that's much better. I think Mr. McQueen should be pretty happy now. Well, judging by that smile and those darting eyes, everything is looking good. Mr. McQueen, let's try driving out of the ditch. I've cleared out the helicopter parts, and those of Chick Hicks, we're good to pull out. By the way, guys, check out how cool our McQueen's wheels and spoiler look. Haha, this is just awesome. Honestly, this has got to be one of my absolute coolest projects for restoring abandoned cars so far. Mr. McQueen, don't hurry off just yet. Let me catch you on camera at last for the fans. Check out how big and cool this spoiler is. Yeah, McQueen definitely has a fierce attitude. He can't wait to get back to the rest track as soon as possible. Well, alright then, Mr. McQueen. It was a pleasure to meet you. I hope I managed to fix you up nicely. You're free to go. Ka-chow! This McQueen's racing days aren't over yet.